Hey, it's Christina, and I just found this awesome Star Wars tin box from Abatons. So that is super cool. It says there are 8 special Abatons inside this tin. So let's open up and see which one we get. That is super awesome. I have not seen these Star Wars Abatons before. I've only seen the normal ones. So I'm excited to see how they look. So let's open it up and find out. Oh, that looks super cool. They come inside this plastic one, so we can take them out. There are 2 gold ones and 3 of the see-through ones and 3 of these kind of blue ones. I can see this is Yoda, and maybe it's yeah, and this, maybe that's this one, BB-8, Darth Vader, maybe a stormtrooper. No, let's take that out and see. You can store them inside this one. If you want to take them out of this plastic, you can have a lot of them in here. But here are the first one of Yoda, and let's place it here. And then we have this one, and the third one of the blue ones is this one. Super cool. Then we have a gold one, and the other gold one is right here. Super pretty. That is some very cool Abatons, these. And these see-through ones, very cool. And this one, I think it's the BB-8 one, but I'm not sure. And you can almost not see them here because of the background is white. And this one as well. So that was some super cool. Let's see if we can place this one here. You can see them better, like this. Yep. So that was some super cool Abatons inside this tin box. And you can keep this one in and put the 8 back inside here if you want to, or you can have it out and you can have lots more of the Star Wars Abatons inside this awesome tin box. So that's super cool. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.